Every organization depends on purchasing goods and services, but how can you ensure those purchases are cost-effective, reliable, and timely? That is where the 5 rights of procurement comes in. In this video, we will explore each of these 5 rights, how they guide smart purchasing decisions, and why they are essential for successful procurement. Procurement is not just about buying products. It is a strategic process that ensures the organization gets exactly what it needs, at the right cost, and from the right supplier. To achieve this, professionals follow a simple yet powerful framework known as the 5 rights of procurement. These principles help balance cost, quality, and efficiency while maintaining long-term supplier relationships. Let's begin with the first right. The first right is the right quality. Procurement is not only about finding the lowest price, but ensuring that materials or services meet the required standards. The right quality means purchasing goods that are fit for the purpose and meet the customer's or project expectations. Poor quality can lead to production delays, waste, and dissatisfied clients. That is why clear specifications, supplier evaluations, and quality checks are crucial before placing any order. Once quality is ensured, the next focus is getting the correct quantity. The second right is the right quantity. Buying too much can lead to excess stock and waste, while buying too little can cause shortages and delays. A skilled procurement officer analyzes demand forecasts, stock levels, and lead times to get the exact quantity needed. Maintaining this balance keeps operations efficient and costs under control. Once the quantity is set, the next step is making sure it arrives at the right time. The third right is the right time. Even the best products lose value if they do not arrive when required. Procurement teams plan delivery schedules carefully to match production or service timelines. Late deliveries cause disruption, while early deliveries can increase storage costs. The right timing keeps operations smooth and resources are used efficiently. After timing, the next consideration is where those goods or services come from. The fourth right is the right source. Choosing reliable suppliers is essential for consistent quality and service. Procurement teams assess suppliers based on their reliability, reputation, pricing, and compliance with standards. Strong supplier relationships lead to dependable supply, fair pricing, and long-term collaboration. Once the right supplier is selected, the final step is ensuring the price reflects value. The fifth and final right is the right price. This means paying a fair amount that reflects both value and quality. The right price is not always the lowest one. It is the price that provides the best overall return for the organization. Effective negotiation ensures cost efficiency without compromising reliability or ethics. Now let's see how these 5 rights work together in a real-world context. Together, the 5 rights of procurement create a framework for smart, ethical, and effective purchasing. Each right supports the others, ensuring that every procurement decision delivers maximum value and minimum risk. By following these principles, organizations can save money, build stronger partnerships, and achieve long-term operational success. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's official channel for more insights on procurement, supply chain, and business management. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.